Hey everybody! Today we're going to learn how to save mobile cellular data on Facebook using the absolute latest application layout. First, tap on your menu icon, the three horizontal lines in the top left. A side panel will appear, scroll down and click on Settings and Privacy and select Settings. Look under the section block explicitly labeled Preferences. Tap directly on the configuration row option labeled Media. Inside the menu layout, locate the primary header section explicitly labeled Video Quality. Tap directly on the checkbox option explicitly labeled Data Saver to reduce video quality and cut overall app consumption by up to 40%. Next, look right below at the primary header section explicitly labeled Video Playback. Look at the index choice selection right under Autoplay in Feeds and Stories. Tap on the option Configuration Rule labeled Never to select it. The system framework will instantly lock in your data rules, cutting off background media rendering and slashing background data spikes instantly. And that's it! I hope it helps you in your current and future project. Thank you for watching.